Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to download Twitter videos to Gallery. Okay, first things first, open the Twitter app or X app on your device and find the video that you want. Tap on the share icon and copy the video's link. Next is, open a web browser on your device and search for SSS Twitter. After that, visit the relevant website and paste the video link into the provided bar. Then, choose the desired video resolution to download. This process allows you to save Twitter videos for offline viewing or other uses. And once done, you'll be able to see your desired video downloaded. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now download Twitter videos to Gallery. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.